Lynette and Prince. Okay, Prince, can you please tell Prince to please sit there and watch her mommy? Paupuin lang po natin si Prince. Okay lang po? Is that okay? Prince, sige. Sige, kahit dyan na lang si Prince. Okay lang. Now, Mommy Lynette, like this. I brought here an ordinary deck of cards. Mommy Lynette, ito po. Okay lang po kayo? Alright. Now, I am going to ripple the cards. Oh, natatakot yata. Natatakot. Ay, okay. Ayan, sige. Buhatin na lang. Okay, here's the cards again. I will ripple the cards then say stop. Mami Lynette, ready na po kayo? Ready? And... Okay, please take this card. And don't show it to me. Just try to remember your card. And show it to them. Okay na, Mami Lynette? Place it back anywhere you want. And then, kaya niyo po i-shuffle. Sige, shuffle niyo lang. Cut niyo na lang po. Cut. Yan. Cut po, cut. Yun. Alright. And then, hold the cards na lang. Just hold the cards. Okay, now, Mami Lynette, ganito lang po gagawin natin. All you have to do is just toss the cards kasi I'm going to stop the chosen card by using this sword. Okay? Wait lang, ganito gagawin nyo, ha? Dito lang po ihahagis po sa area na to, ha? Okay, now we will do this blindfolded. Again, I am going to stop the chosen card with my sword. Okay? Ready na po kayo, Mami Lynette? Okay, wait. I will turn around first kasi it's just like playing hit the pot. Okay, now, Mami Lynette. Basta the most important here is timing. Teka, wait. Okay, Mami Lynette, ready na po kayo? Okay, throw the cards in a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ha! Sandali, hindi yata timing. Okay. Basta Mami Lynette, importante po timing tayo, ha? Uulitin natin. It's okay. First time, okay? Now we will do it again. For the second time, okay? But this time, sige, give that to Mami Lynette. Okay lang yan, okay. I have an idea. I think it's better if I'll take the other half, and then you take the other half, and then we will do it at the same time, okay? I will cover again my eyes, and the other half, please. Ayan, and then we will throw the cards at a count of 3. Ready, Mommy? Mami Lynette, ready? 1, 2, 3, throw the cards! Oh, what's your card, Mami Lynette? Again? King? 8 of?
Flower.
8 of clubs. So, let's check if it's correct. Is this your card? Is this her card? Alright! Well, anyway, let's clap our hands for Mami Lynette. And as I mentioned a while ago, diba, I will give you a special prize. Courtesy of Richie the Magician. Ito po yung baraha. No, I'm just kidding. Ito. From Landers. Ayan, baka hindi kayo magkandadala dyan, ha? Okay, sandali, guide na lang po natin si Mami Lynette. Okay, Mami Lynette, be careful lang po.